Om Namah Shivaya everyone. Choose a crystal and I will tell you what divine guidance Ma Lakshmi has for you. For a few days I have been feeling this new frequency of wealth that has been coming into your lives. I feel like a new beginning regarding your financial matters is coming into your life. So choose a crystal and I will tell you what divine guidance Ma Lakshmi has for you. So if you have chosen this crystal, which is a golden pyrite, the divine guidance that has come for you is that I can see that you have a lot of goals and aspirations in your life right now. What Ma Lakshmi wants you to do is create a step by step plan, a step by step strategy on how you are going to achieve those goals and those dreams and desires. Because only wishful thinking will not get us where we want to be. So, the divine guidance that has come from Ma Lakshmi, that is very, very, very beautiful, is that you have to strategize your plans because Mahalakshmi's blessings are already with you. She is blessing you, guiding you on this new beginning, on this new journey. I think you should go for it. Start this new journey with a lot of faith in your heart, on yourself, and on Mahalakshmi herself because I can see that this new beginning is being blessed by her. And if you have chosen this crystal, that this is a citrine, the divine guidance that has come for you is that you right now I can see that you are taking actions towards your goals, but those actions are not completely aligned in what your desires and your dreams and goals are. What I mean by this is you need to align your actions and focus on your goal. For example, if one wants to grow their YouTube, they need to align their actions. And how would they do that? They would research, do proper research about the topics that are trending, and then they would create content regularly to grow on YouTube, right? This is called aligned actions. And if your goal is to make 100 crores in 1 year, are you taking aligned actions towards it? If not, you need to rethink, re strategize, and start taking aligned actions with complete focus. When one wants to grow in their career, it is really, really, really important that you focus like an eagle's eye. The only focus that you need to have in your life is on your goals. Okay.